We're doing a second frame on the A-bar. A-frame, A-frame. Second bar. And let me help you to tidy it. So make sure you push it, get your hands away from here. Let me see, убери руки. Let me see, this is all the way through.
Нормально?
Yeah, looks like it's tidy. Nail it. Затягивай, прибивай. Can make it harder. Got it. That's it. So then we're going to probably put the next one right away and another one, and then we're going to start assemble the pieces. We should be able to finish in about 1 hour. Then you can tie this frame like a F7 or so. I think it's a 7 channel or bar. Okay, doc.